Welcome to Major Tool and Machine. Today we're going to talk about safety requirements and rules for walking around the plant. Eye protection is required at all times while on the plant floor, and you may be asked to put on ear protection in certain areas. No open-toed shoes are allowed on the plant floor, and safety shoes are recommended at all times and required if walking outside the lanes. Always walk within the aisles, except to move out of the way of a forklift. Forklifts have the right-of-way within the plant. Check for forklifts around blind corners before walking out into the aisles. Never walk under suspended loads, no matter the size. Do not touch metal scraps or customer parts, and absolutely no photography is permitted. Be aware of your surroundings and signs in the area. If you have a question, ask your host. In the event of an emergency, follow your host's instructions to the designated safety areas. Enjoy your visit at Major Tool and Machine.